Hi guys, we're here at ISE 2019. I'm again here with Rupert from Crestron. He's going to show us the new DM Lite products, great new features available. And over to you, Rupert.
Hi Derek, hi guys. So once again we've brought some new DM Lite equipment as well to ISE 2019. One of the new products that we actually are highlighting over here is our new DM Lite 510 solution. So it's an all-in-one encompassing solution. It's a great solution for those little boardrooms there where you've got a couple of inputs on the table. Maybe you need an HD-based T extender to get that signal to the right destination. It's got microphone inputs. We have built-in amplification to drive some speakers. But for those larger rooms, if you really need a little bit more power, we have auxiliary outputs over there as well, so you can drive amplification on that. And the whole about DM Lite is simplicity, simple, easy, extending, digital signals from point A to point B. These are running .AV frame networks, so easy to deploy, easy to set up as well. So this is just a solution that we're using currently where we have two transmitters that are sitting somewhere. It could be on the wall, could be on your desk. We're taking that signal back to our DM Lite unit, and it's still feeding our display over here. Then on this side, we have our MPC 302. The 302 will allow us to control that environment very simplistic. So we can switch inputs from one input to the other input.
And it's very seamless. I mean, it's like there's no delay switching between them.
Exactly.
Nice.
The whole idea is simplicity, quick switching, and making that usability to the customers very simple and clean in essence. A great thing with the MPC 302 where we really see great traction is in the educational institutes. You have microphones already inside there. We can bring the video signals through to that. The easy volume control just from the unit itself. If we want to do a bit of wireless presenting, we can add that to the equation. So DM Lite is there for those simple applications that you need, be it boardroom, be it the educational space, and so forth.
And then obviously you still can go to the old legacy VGA inputs, which is great. Either HDMI, VGA, you can go to any kind of new format.
Indeed. And I mean, we all know that it's a digital age, and people talk about USB-C, talk about HDMI, and we've got some great cables as well that will take a USB-C to HDMI, so we can cater for those devices as well. And they still offer legacy devices, VGA support as well, because there's a lot of people still utilizing that as well today.
Fantastic. And then obviously you guys have got this control, but we can still go with the old traditional, well, not traditional, but touch panels, the whole range that's available from you guys. We can still pop those in a different application.
100%. It's like with all Crestron products. I mean, they all work together, they all work seamlessly. So if you decide you want to go for a keypad option, you want to go a controller or a touch panel, you have the choice and the ability to make those changes in the system.
That's fantastic, man. I think we need to go over to some of the products. We're going to have a look at it a bit later, and then we'll showcase all the little boxes that the guys can basically add to this beautiful new system.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.